So this time, I stumbled upon Connect Team. It is a workforce management app built for teams that don't sit around the desk. Over 100,000 businesses running scheduling, time tracking, communication in one place. And again, they don't have any sound signature. So I built one as well. Let me break it down for you. So the first thing you can see is just a visual whoosh to kind of like transition to the logo. Second part would be the riser coming up and revealing the logo itself. Third one is just data sound to make the calculation and kind of like drawing the connection between people. And for the melodic part, I used an F sharp major scale and an F sharp major chord, kind of like breaking it down to a small melody, added like the B in there. I used firstly Rode piano, then added some choir for some human touch and human connection, and some brass. So everything together will be. Hope you enjoyed that. Connect team, you're welcome to contact me and do something together. See you then.